Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook delicious Nigerian stew with beef. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you. The first ingredient I have here is cow meat, well washed. Here I have fresh tomatoes, well washed. I'll be blending these tomatoes. And here I have tomato paste. This is fresh pepper, Shombo, and Scotch bonnet, including onions. I'll be blending it with the tomatoes I showed you guys. And here I have vegetable oil. Here are the spices I'll be using. Here I have beef spices, fried shallots, curry powder, seasoning cube, salt, rosemary spice, and local spices. This is African nutmeg and Jansa. So I'll be grinding the local spices. So here are basically the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this delicious Nigerian stew. The first thing you're going to do is to put the washed meat into a clean pot. Then you add chopped onions, fresh grated ginger and garlic, curry powder, fried shallots, beef spices, the ground local spices, rosemary spice, seasoning cube, salt. Then you mix together, and you're going to cook this beef on a low heat for 10 minutes. Don't add water yet. After 10 minutes, add water and cook for 7 minutes on medium heat. So at this point, the beef is well cooked. You take the beef out and set that aside. And we are going to use the beef stock for later use. Heat up your vegetable oil and fry the beef. So I like frying my beef. Using the same oil, add onions and fry for 3 minutes. Add tomato paste and fry until dry. Add the tomato and pepper blend. Fry until dry. Then you add the beef stock, then the fried meat, add seasoning cube, salt, cover and leave for 10 minutes. So guys, our stew is almost ready. So for the tomatoes, I blended it with the pepper like I told you, and I cooked it to dry up the water, okay? Guys, you're going to love this Nigerian stew. It was so delicious. And please make sure you try this recipe out, and I know you're going to love it. Delicious. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.